What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gala exploding. I'm going to go on a little bit of a rant here. Who told you the entire bear market that Gala would be one of the strongest moving metaverse projects the entire bull market? Who has been preaching how incredible this project is the whole entire bear market? Do you know how many haters were in my comment section telling me this project's going to zero? When the owners started suing each other, the hate comments were extreme. You don't know what you're talking about. Worst crypto YouTuber. Why do you keep covering this garbage coin, this garbage project? Do you know what those people are doing right now? They're back in their rooms watching anime. Fuck my life. I wish I could get a girlfriend. Yeah, you'll never get one because you're fucking dumb. I told you guys that this project was going to explode, and it will the whole fucking bull market, and that's exactly what's going to happen. Okay, I'm finished. I'm done. Fucking scum of the earth. You have to have tough skin as a YouTuber, but I would always comment. I say, come back to me, say the same thing in 12 months. Come back, say the same thing in 12 months. They will never come back because they're back in their room seeing if they have the flexibility to suck their own eggplant. All right, guys, Gala Games sitting at 0.045547, my dyslexia, up 22%. On the day. My average price for my largest investment is 0.033. I'm absolutely crushing it right now. Market cap 1.57 billion. 24-hour volume 310 million. Market cap 1.57 billion. All right, I'm done. Let's go, Gala Games. Okay, woo! So, a couple scenarios for Gala off the low. I need to stop shouting. First one, off the low, we have a 5-way move. So, there is a possibility, let me close one of my indicators. There is the possibility that that dump is a wave 2. So, what you'd be looking at, let me make this smaller. Shout out to everyone that believed me and invested their bags into Gala Games. Shout out to you because you're going to get rich. All right, guys, here we go. Off the low, potentially. That's already finished. Wave 1, wave 2. Now you're pushing up. Oh, are you kidding me, bruh? Apologies, guys. I just clicked my brush. I'm going to make this bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a possibility, especially with the size of this impulse, that you are now just going to break out. Micro. Okay, so if that were to be the case, this is scenario 1 for you guys. I'll show you the larger wave count in a second here. Take your fib retracement extension, take your fib extension from the bottom of 1 to the top, to the bottom of 2, and you would target all the way up. 1.618 all the way up at 0.08. So that's one scenario. However, there's another scenario off the bear market low where your wave 3 target is 0.057, which is the 161.8. We just hit TP4 on this trade. 131% gain from entry. That trade is finished. Swing trade. You should always swing trade as well as, you know, if you want to leverage trade, do both, because in the long run, it's really going to pay out, especially in a bull market. Nobody believed me when I entered the trade down here, and now they're all like, yeah, Jax, let's go. Yeah, you know, that's how it is. It's all emotion. You have to be like a robot. You can't be emotional in this game, but you do get emotional when you prove your haters wrong. All right, guys, so that's what I'm looking at. That's scenario 1. Now, the alternative, which would make a little bit more sense, is, let me remove these fibs because it's distracting, too many rainbows. That's your wave 3 high. That's a deep 4. And now you're pushing up in a wave 5, and that would, let me see the target, trend-based fib extension, bottom of 2. This is how you get a wave 5 target. Take it from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4. Yeah, and you've already hit the targets, but it can overextend. So the 100% is 0.05698, and yeah, that's relatively close to this target here. So this would make a little bit more sense, but of course anything can happen in a bull market. Price can just explode. And basically you would push up to that target, complete the wave 5, which would complete this larger wave 3 off the bear market low. and then you would pull back in a wave 4. That would make a little bit more sense. You can see bearish divergences on the money flow on the RSI. This is Scotch RSI. I have it open for trade signals. Yeah, so that would make a little bit more sense to push up to 0.0574 and then pull back. But anything can happen. Sometimes you just skyrocket and go parabolic. So those are the two scenarios. We're up 21% on the day. AI and Metaverse are the two main sectors that you want to be invested in, not financial advice. Low key is, but I can't be liable for your profits because losses are very unlikely, but as well as losses. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. Guys, my signals are free. Check out last week. Let me pop it open. Here's last week. I just posted it yesterday. 13 wins, 2 losses, total profit 407%. The week before that, we had 12 wins, 2 losses in crypto. Let me quickly check. I'm also trading Forex. So the week before in crypto, we had, no, that's wrong. Sorry, guys, just bear with me. That's Forex. Right here, 10 wins, 1 loss. 10 wins, 1 loss 2 weeks ago. And then last week, which was totaled yesterday, we had 13 wins, 2 losses. My signals are free. It's a pretty legendary deal that I'm offering you. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, or MEXC. Links are down below, but Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Grab those bonuses, 10% back on your trading fees. Send me email after you make deposit. Can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. I don't need your money. I just want to help you reach financial freedom. However, I do make a commission off your trading fees. And send me email, completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include, we're in multiple trades already. I gave like 4 or 5 signals already today, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. They're absolutely, there's my win rate. Someone posted it from last week, which was cool. My members are absolutely crushing it. This is not a loss. He made $501. He likes to have his profits in red because he's weird, but it's all right. Forex analysis, Forex trade signals, over 2,700 members. Free access, guys, with a sign up to Bitfinex or MEXC with my links in the comments. Send me email. It's on the screen. Smash up the like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.